Good morning, everybody. It's Christy again from Cut Up and Sew. We're in the process of doing our 25 days of so much fun Advent Santa bag, whatever you want to call it. We've all called it different things throughout the weeks. But anyway, it's just a lot of fun. We're having as much fun here as I hope you're having there. And wanted to make sure that you're posting those pictures and having a great time opening everything. So let's see, 10 is, oops, here it is, right here. So again, like a malt, it has a nice big number on the front, a little tie to hold it closed. And one of Santa's other helpers told me this is really cool stuff in here. So let's just see. Here it comes, here it comes. Is it all out? Hello in there. Yep, got it all out. So let's see. Ooh, nice, nice. Who doesn't need a nice needle threader? And this is a 3-in-1 needle threader. So that means that different size needles. So one is for a very, very tiny needle that you're used to with a little wire. And then the other two have hooks. And then at the bottom, you can use these to cut your threads. They all have little blades in them. I don't know why I don't have one of these in my stash. I'm gonna have to make sure Santa has this on my list too. Bring me one. And then we know that, you know, we all have times that we have to do hand sewing, as much as some of us don't like it or whatever. So what we've given everybody is a thimble, a cute little thimble. So hope that fits very well. It does adjust a little bit in the back. And then some needles, some nice fine point needles. They go either size 10 or size 11. So whatever you're doing, it will be perfect for you. So enjoy them. Tell Santa thank you when you see him. And don't forget VIPs. Go ahead and sign up for it. And that's what you are, a VIP, because you did the first ever So Much Fun Santa Sack. So we want to make sure we can reward you and thank you for coming, or thank you for joining us. And come with us in January. Okay, I'm getting a little slap happy. It's time to say have a great day.